The warping process. Warp and weft are the two basic components used in weaving to turn thread or yarn into fabric. Warping is defined as the parallel winding of yarn from a cone or cheese package onto a warp beam. It is the transfer of many yarns from the creel of single packages to a beam. The warping consists of collecting a predetermined number of ends from a set of one package and transferring them in a sheet form to a weaver's beam. It is needed to confirm that warp beam is made from good warp yarn, otherwise weaving performance will be hampered. Types of warping. There are two types of warping that are popular in the textile industry for preparing warp yarn for power-driven high-speed looms or hand looms. The number one is direct warping or beam warping, and the number two is sectional warping. Direct warping or beam warping. When the yarns are drawn from the single packages and the creel directly onto the beam, then it is called direct warping. It is also called high-speed warping or beam warping. Direct warping is used to make smaller beams which are combined later in slashing to produce the weaver's beam. Modern beam warping machines have creels with movable trolleys. The trolleys are movable so that cones can be creeled in reserve when one set is working in the machine. Sectional warping. When the yarn is wound onto the beam in sections starting with the tapered end of the beam, then it is called sectional warping. Sectional warping is used for multiple colors of yarn that can be incorporated in the weaver's beam by using sectional warping. The drum of the beam has a cone that has a slight angle that will prevent the yarns from slipping off. After all the sections of the beam are wound completely, then the yarn on the beam is wound onto a regular beam with flanges before sizing. This process is called beaming. Sometimes a section beam is also used in the sizing stage.